Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. This is Ratna and welcome back to my channel. It's America's Independence Day on July 4th and on this occasion, let's make America's favorite food, pizza. So first, we need to proof the yeast. For this, we'll take 1.5 cups of water and heat it but not boil. I'm running it in the oven for 30 seconds. When ready, make sure the temperature is between 120 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 to 55 degrees Celsius. Now we will add a tablespoon of yeast and let it rest for 5 minutes. In the meantime, to a bowl, we'll add 3.5 cups whole wheat flour. And now we'll add a teaspoon salt and a teaspoon sugar and mix them well. When the yeast is ready, we'll pour it little by little and start kneading the dough. Once all the yeast are mixed in, we'll add 3 tablespoons olive oil. Now we will knead the dough to a smooth ball, cover it and let it rise for 2 hours. The dough has doubled in size and now we will knead it again. After that, we will divide the dough into 2 smooth balls and cover it and rise for half an hour. In the meantime, we will make tomato sauce. For this, to a pot we will add 1/4 cup olive oil and then 4 sprigs thyme and 4 sprigs sage, 4 cloves garlic and 2 cups crushed tomatoes, a teaspoon salt and finally half teaspoon black pepper. Now we can mix them well and cook until it boils. When the dough is ready, we can knead it and roll it out to a 12-inch circle and 1/4 inch thickness and line the edges with mozzarella cheese sticks and wrap the edges. Now we can transfer it to a pan and assemble it. First, we'll poke some holes for uniform heat and then spread tomato sauce and finally the toppings. I'm making veggie pizza, so some onions, capsicum, mushrooms, olives, corn and shredded mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Now we can cover it and bake the pizza for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. In the meantime, in a small saucepan, we'll combine 1/3 cup salted butter and finely minced 3 cloves garlic. After a couple of minutes of cooking, you can cool it down. And when the pizza is ready, you can generously brush it on its sides. For conventional pizza, we'll preheat the oven along with the pizza pan to 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius. And then dust the surface with corn flour and roll out the ball. And assemble everything as before. We can slide the pizza into the pan when the oven is ready and bake it for 8 to 10 minutes and finish it off with garlic butter wash as soon as the pizza comes out. Please do make it when you get time. That's all in today's segment. As usual, thank you for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For channel updates, press the bell icon. See you again in another segment. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.